What do you usually do when your headlights turn yellow and cloudy? Take the car to a shop and spend a lot of money, or try to fix them yourself? Hello everyone. Today, I will share a simple way to restore your headlights at home in just a few minutes. Stay with me until the end of the video and see this headlight shine like new again. Take a small bowl and add a spoon of Vaseline. Then add baking soda slowly, just a little at a time. Stir it well until you get a thick, smooth paste. This mix should not be too runny and not too dry. It needs to stay on the headlight without dripping. Vaseline helps protect the plastic, and baking soda gives gentle cleaning power. This simple mix is the base for everything we do next, and it only takes a minute to prepare. Cut a fresh lime in half and squeeze the juice into the bowl. Tell me where you're watching from. I always enjoy seeing the different cities and states you're tuning in from. Add it slowly while stirring the paste. You will see the mix turn smoother and easier to spread. The lime juice helps break down the yellow layer on the headlight and lifts old dirt. Keep mixing until everything blends well and looks even. At this point, the paste should smell fresh and feel slightly gritty, which is perfect for cleaning plastic without scratching it too hard. Use a small brush to spread the paste evenly over the headlight. Cover the whole surface, especially the yellow and cloudy areas. Take 1,200 grit sandpaper and start sanding gently. Move in small circles and keep your hand light. Do not press hard. Let the paper and the paste do the work. Keep spraying water on the surface while sanding. Water helps wash away the dirt and prevents deep scratches. Add a little more paste if the surface starts to dry. After a few minutes, rinse everything with clean water and wipe it dry. Spread another thin layer of the mixture over the headlight. This keeps the surface smooth and helps the paper glide better. Start with 1,500 grit sandpaper. Sand gently and evenly across the whole lens. Use straight, steady strokes and keep spraying water to stay wet. Rinse the headlight and wipe it clean. You should see the surface looking more uniform and less hazy. Apply a little more mixture again. Then switch to 2,000 grit sandpaper. This finer paper removes the last light scratches and brings out clarity. Keep the surface wet and move slowly. When you rinse and dry it, the headlight should look noticeably clearer and smoother. Here is the revised version with no repeated phrasing and smoother flow. Take a small amount of Vaseline and rub it evenly over the headlight. This layer helps protect the surface and brings back a gentle shine. Use 2000 grit sandpaper one last time, sand very lightly, just enough to smooth the lens and blend the surface. Keep the headlight wet so the paper moves easily and avoids scratches. Rinse with clean water and wipe it dry with a soft cloth. You should now see the lens looking clearer and brighter than before. Plug in the electric cup and pour in the headlight restoration liquid. Let it heat until you see light vapor coming out, not heavy smoke. Hold the cup close to the headlight, about 2 to 3 inches away. Move it slowly across the surface so the vapor spreads evenly. You will see the lens turn clear and glossy almost right in front of your eyes. Do not stop in one spot too long to avoid overheating the plastic. After one pass, let the headlight cool for a moment, then wipe it gently with a clean cloth. The surface should now look bright and smooth, like it just came from the factory. And just like that, the headlight looks clear and bright again, without a trip to the shop. A few simple steps and a little patience can save you time and money right at home. If this tip helped you, give the video a like and share it with a friend who drives at night. Subscribe for more simple fixes you can trust.